make it my way. Oh, I make it my way.
So we are leaving Seattle today and picking up a Cabana van for a week. We're renting a van. We're gonna head to the North Cascades National Park, go to the Olympic Peninsula for a little. We're renting the van through Cabana. So it is a renovated van that has everything we need, has a toilet, has a shower, has a kitchen, has a bed in it. So I can't wait to try van life out. So we just finished lunch and now we are heading to go pick up the van. So excited. I'm very excited. I can't wait. And then we're gonna be heading north. Okay, it is happening. We are getting everything in to the van. Full tour coming soon. We are going to take off. I cannot wait. So we are about to leave. It was super helpful. They just kind of run us through everything, like the toilet, the shower, the water, the power, kind of all the details, keeping track of it all, making sure we're all set level wise. And we're gonna head out in our van. Let's go. We're driving out of the parking lot.
And I have to wait for that.
Yeah.
Oh, kind of blocked.
So we are on our way to North Cascades National Park. We're staying in New Halem campground tonight. I booked it for 2 nights. So we're gonna have a couple days to explore the park, and it's about a 2-hour drive, like northwest of Seattle. So we are taking the van on the highway and we're gonna drive. We're probably gonna stop somewhere and get like some groceries and stuff that we need for the week. So yeah, let's go. We're just stopping at Target and picking up a couple essentials, a couple groceries for tomorrow, and things that we need. So we just picked up some groceries from Target for a couple days. And one of the perks about van life is you don't need any bags for your groceries because we take it straight from the cart into our kitchen. So, fun fact. Back on the road.
Okay.
So we got gas, filled up groceries, back again. So we have just made it to North Cascades National Park. We're here at the sign and we're gonna head to our campground before dark, and I'm gonna do a little tour of the van for you guys. Stay tuned. We're officially in North Cascades National Park. Okay, keep going. 4 feet, 3, 2, 1 foot. We're here. Stop. So we had a little confusion on finding our parking spot for tonight, but we have found it at our campground. I'm going to show you around a little bit. So we have a bunch of like picnic tables here. I think this is to secure food from like animals. Little fire pit, places to sit. We're pretty far from everyone. And the van is over here.
We're gonna make a note of that.
So time for a little van tour. So this is kind of the cab, the front part of the van. Pretty standard. We get a backup camera and everything, which is cool. Ton of places for like water and everything. Sunshades to block out the sun. This chair swivels around so that you can make kind of like a little seating area here. We'll probably set that up later. Testing out all these cabinets. In here we have towels, safe hangers, stuff to a little closet thing. Our suitcases go in here. These drawers just kind of fold out. This is our little sink. We kind of used it for storage already. And then down here, what's down here? Storage and coffee. This is our little fridge here. We stopped at Target and got eggs, cheese, carrots, just kind of essential basic meal items. So we have that. And then pantry goods go in there. And then this is the shower in here. So we have a mirror. Comes with shampoo and conditioner and everything. The shower tank is 40 gallons. So they said it's about, depends on how long you shower. 5 minutes of a shower is 5 minutes, is 5 gallons. So gonna have to be sparing with the water. The toilet is right here and it is like compostable. It smells like clean. Looks fine. Little fan up there. We'll be testing that out. They said depending on how much you use it, a couple days it would fill up. But we'll try to use other toilets depending on kind of availability. This is the bed. It's a queen memory foam size bed. This is the Wi-Fi router. We've got lots of pillows, TV here, and then the doors there that kind of just open up and allow us to see some cool stuff. Cheers.
Cheers. Wine, cute Cabana.
We got the table all set up and we're just trying to get the curtains good to go. I'm about to take a shower in there and we got the bed all set up and see if we can watch TV. I don't know if we have service, but yeah. Good morning. It is day 2. We just woke up and we are going to attempt to make some breakfast in the van. We have eggs and Canadian bacon and we're gonna make some coffee as well. We slept pretty good last night. It got a little hot. We had this fan, we had it on air out. That's what they said to do, but I wasn't sure if that helped. So we're gonna see how we can cool it down a little bit more today, but it cooled off in the night and it got to be like 68, which was nice throughout the night. But we kind of, like you can see, put our stuff like a little bit everywhere. It's a little messy, so let's make breakfast. This is the kitchen area. So we have a stove here and I think it runs on gas. This whole thing kind of pulls out of that, the garage area. We're gonna have some Canadian bacon and scrambled eggs for breakfast. And then we have a little sink here and a plug there to make some coffee. And it comes with everything we need, pots and pans. This is the gas, dishes. So yeah, a little area to cook. And we can eat either outside or inside. Okay, making coffee. Oh, you're using the water.
Yeah, that's the water we have.
So I just stuck the propane right in there. Oh, there we go. Got your coffee? Try it.
Our first cup of coffee here.
Black though. We don't want to buy cream. Takes up too much room.
That is good. Good coffee.
Our scrambled eggs are cooking, and then we have our Canadian bacon already cooked. I'm gonna stick a little Tillamook cheese on there. So peaceful. First, breakfast. Let's go. Super easy to make.
You said be careful.
We are about to head out to the visitor center and to go visit North Cascades National Park today. We got everything locked down in the van. Hopefully the test will be if we drive and everything like falls. So we will see what happens. Getting ready to go. And yeah.
Monday. Left, right. Left.
Nothing fell. Good packing job. We just went to the visitor center, got our passport stamped, got some bug spray, and talked to the park rangers, and got kind of a plan of what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna drive along the North Cascades Scenic Highway, and head towards the Washington Lake overlook, and then do some hiking over there. We just decided to stop at one of the little overpasses, and it is so beautiful here. Take a look. The water is so green. It's so beautiful.
It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind.
We're starting today with the Thunder Knob Trail, which is near the Colonial Creek Campground. It's 1.8 miles each way, 600 feet-ish in elevation. Let's go.
Look at them.
I think it's this way.
We know where all the red ferns grow. 2 feet against me, beyond my reach. 6 keys, the one whole I eat, the one whole way for me. In grass stains, cut my bloody knees. It's good pain. It means I can't be
Is it cold?
and that little death inside my sides won't make it.
We just made it back to the van, and we're just stopped at Diablo Lake for just a quick second to just sit and take in this amazing view. You can't even tell how beautiful the water is. It is this beautiful kind of bluish green, kind of like a teal color. It's not showing up on camera, but it is absolutely breathtaking. We just drove another 45 minutes, and now we are at the Washington Pass Overlook. It's a quick 5-minute walk from the parking lot. And here we are, arriving at the view. So that was a super cool stop off. We got to see Washington Overlook, which was between a bunch of different mountains that were formed in the glacial period through erosion and melting glaciers. So it was a cool stop off, definitely worth the trek. About an hour from the visitor center on Highway 20. We learned a little bit about this highway, which this road took about 100 years to be created, and they created it so people who were mining towns had like an easy way to get to the town. It used to take them 4 days, so super cool, beautiful views. We're now back at Diablo Lake, and I'm gonna take a quick dip and swim for a little. We were just sitting having some cheese and crackers, and now we are boiling some pasta water, and we are gonna make some vodka sauce with pasta.
I'm happy, nothing's going to stop. I make my way, oh, I make